All right, y'all. I wanted to do a quick little video, do a little further explanation on the mobile link system, formerly known as Gen Monitor, and I believe Generator Supercenter, who we have our contract with, still calls it Gen Monitor, but the module is actually called a mobile link. And it just basically, they drill a hole in the housing, and there's a wire that passes through, and it hooks into the interface for all the generator stuff. Received a lot of comments and questions on why we have it, the price of it. I think there was maybe a little bit of confusion. One of the things is the contract we have to monitor the mobile link and to have it also includes an annual maintenance. So it includes an annual maintenance. I'm not paying anything extra. So it's $444 a year for me to be able to monitor our generator, for Generator Supercenter to be able to monitor our generator, and also they come out and do spark plug, oil change, air filter, and just a general inspection of our unit annually. Prior to having the monitor, the only indication you have if anything is wrong with your generator is the light. So unless you're coming out here looking at this thing often, you wouldn't know if there's an issue. So I want to get further into that and explain a few more things with the system. So the way our generator is orientated, that green light I showed you, you cannot see it from the house. You'd have to walk on the back side of it. At night you can see it shining on the fence, but red light means it's not working, yellow light means you need to check something, green light means you're good to go. So like I said, without the monitor, you'd be having to look at that light. So the mobile link operates on LTE. I screwed up in one of the videos and said it was Wi-Fi, but it does operate on LTE. So if you don't have a Wi-Fi signal strong enough, it's not a problem. And the LTE on this one always gets a really good signal. We don't have any connection issues with it. So the main reason we decided to go with the system for the mobile link was that our battery had went bad, and the generator is set to start and run once a week. We have ours set to run on Sundays. Well, it happened to be that we were out of town, busy, whatever, and so like 3 Sundays went by and we weren't home to hear it run. And life gets in the way, and you don't think to check the green light that's outside and all that stuff. And I happened to be doing some yard work or whatever and noticed that the light was red. And we kind of started thinking back, like, when's the last time we heard it start? Anyway, long story short, we wanted something to be able to monitor the system. We wanted to be able to monitor it. We wanted to be able to know if it's running, know if it's got a problem. So that's where the system comes into play. Not only do we get to monitor it, but also Generator Supercenter, which is who we have our contract with, monitors it. I think normally I'm going to respond faster than they do if I see an issue. I'm not sure. So far we haven't gotten a call from them saying, hey, there's a problem. So when it was time to inspect the battery, I was the one that saw it first and inspected the battery and reset everything. So, during a lengthy time of it being out, I guess they would contact us. But honestly, long as I can see what's going on, there's an app, it emails you and it text messages you the situation. That's all I was really looking for. My dad also had a similar situation. His battery went out. I don't know how many weeks he went by, same situation, not knowing if it was working or not. And that being said, that is the main reason why we chose to do this. Like I said, the app sends you a push notification, you get text message and email. I always know what's going on. I know when it's running, exercising, if there's a power outage, I know the battery voltage, everything that I would need to know about it is there at my fingertips, which I appreciate. And like I did say, because of the contract that we have, the annual maintenance is included with the price of the monitor. So once a year, oil change, spark plugs, air filter, general inspection of the unit. Saves me the time. Yes, I could do it myself, but I ain't got to worry about it. They come out and do it if we're not here. They just let themselves in, do the thing. They send you a picture of everything they've changed and an email showing you everything that was done to the unit, so it got replaced. So on the screen is just a screenshot of one of the emails that gets sent out. This one gets sent out monthly. And then up next is the Mobile Link app. So I'm just going to kind of scroll through here and let you see some of the stuff on the app. It shows when there's an outage. It shows when it was exercising. It shows that it's ready to run. All the good stuff you would need to know. Also, it shows you the temperature outside. You can look at the battery voltage. Shows you how many hours you've had on the unit running. It also shows you how many hours it's been since it has been installed. It definitely takes the guesswork out of, is my unit ready to run? Is everything okay with it? So I'd recommend getting this instead of relying on just the little green light. I appreciate everybody watching. If you haven't seen the longer video of me discussing the generator and the pricing and the install, I'll put a link to that at the end of this video. Subscribe, like, share, ring the notification bell. Have a good one, and we will see you on the next one.